Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 26th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off today. We did see stocks closing slightly higher. They continue to trickle on to new highs as we head into the Thanksgiving holiday here. The Dow today was higher by 55 points. The S&P 500 gaining almost 7 points, while the NASDAQ was higher by 15. And the Russell 2000 adding 2 points. The bond market also traded higher today, and the yield on the 10-year note now sits at 1.740%. Crude oil added 34 cents or 0.59% at the official close, while gold futures higher by 560 or 0.38% today, and the US dollar finishing just slightly lower. Now, before market open, we had quarterly earnings reports from a couple of retailers. Let me get the symbol right. BBY, Best Buy here. And they beat estimates, and boy, they did pretty well. Close off their highs after putting in that new high at 83.63, but did finish higher by over 7 points or almost 10%, while Dollar Tree missed their forecast estimates, and they got punished for it, down over 15% today, or a little over $17 a share. Again, finishing off their lows, but still, that was a pretty ugly day for Dollar Tree. So we'll see what tomorrow brings for those two. But an ugly day for Dollar Tree, while Best Buy had a pretty decent one. So we have one more session before we get into the Thanksgiving holiday. I'll wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving tonight, as tomorrow evening there will be no report, but we will be back on Thursday for Friday's open. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.